Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup from a can. First, grab one standard can of condensed tomato soup. Carefully open it and pour all of its contents into a medium saucepan. Next, using the empty soup can, measure out 1 full can of either water or milk, depending on your preference, and add it to the saucepan with the soup. This simple step begins your comforting meal. Now that your soup is in the saucepan, place it on your stove top. Turn the heat to a medium setting. It is very important to stir the soup frequently during this stage. This prevents it from sticking to the bottom of the pan and ensures it heats evenly throughout. Keep stirring until you see small bubbles forming, indicating a gentle simmer, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your soup is simmering, it is time to add some flavor. Season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an even richer, creamier texture, you can stir in a small pat of unsalted butter until it melts completely. Now, your perfectly heated and seasoned tomato soup is ready to be served. Ladle it into your favorite bowls. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you have transformed a can of condensed soup into a warm, comforting, and delicious meal. This quick and easy method is perfect for those times when you need a satisfying lunch or a light dinner without much fuss. Enjoy your homemade tomato soup, perhaps with some crunchy croutons or a sprinkle of fresh basil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.